This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make guacamole salad. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need 3 perfectly ripe avocados, 1 small red onion, and 1 jalapeno for a little kick. Don't forget 1 juicy lime, a handful of fresh cilantro, and a pinch of salt to enhance all those wonderful flavors. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get our ingredients prepped. Carefully have your 3 avocados, remove the pits, and scoop the creamy flesh into a bowl. Next, finely dice your small red onion and mince the jalapeno. Remember, you can remove the seeds from the jalapeno if you prefer a milder flavor. Finally, roughly chop about 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro, adding a burst of green. Time to bring it all together. Squeeze the juice of 1 fresh lime directly over your avocado. This adds a zesty flavor and helps prevent browning. Now, add your finely diced red onion, minced jalapeno, and chopped cilantro to the bowl. Gently mash everything with a fork, aiming for a chunky texture, not a smooth paste. Finish with a pinch of salt, then taste and adjust the seasoning to your liking. Your delicious guacamole salad is now ready to enjoy. For the best flavor and texture, serve it immediately. It's perfect with crispy tortilla chips, fresh vegetable sticks, or as a vibrant side dish. For a beautiful presentation, garnish with a few extra cilantro sprigs or a fresh lime wedge. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.